Hello, this is Joe Yuhan here to talk to you guys about iliotibial band or IT band lateral knee pain. This is going to be just a quick primer on really what it truly is versus conventional wisdom and the things we have to do to sustainably get IT band pain to go away. And so for the longer discussion on this, there is a long video and an in-depth article on iRunFar, the complex knee, that I'll link to in the description below. But we're going to talk specifically about the IT band. So this is the knee. This is the medial side, the inside, and the outside. So IT band is this lateral fascial tissue that runs down the length of the thigh from the lateral pelvis, but then connects onto the outer knee at the tibia and with fascial connections in the fibula. And so let's talk about conventional wisdom. Conventional wisdom says, oh, well, IT band hurts because you bend too much. Like, really? Why are there so many runners out there that can run hundreds of miles, sometimes at a time, and never get IT band issues? But some of us do. It doesn't make sense. And so simply the fact that this bends too much, it's just not an acceptable answer for why the IT band becomes tight and painful. So then the other thing is like, oh, well, it hurts because it's tight. Well, why does it get tight? Oh, because it bends too much. No, that's just not how it works. There are other forces at play that are stressing this out excessively, that unless we understand that, we're not going to get better. And so the two things that stress an IT band out are accessory motions of the knee that are important for function that we overdo. And the two motions are torsion, which is rotation of the femur and or the tibia, and shearing, which is a medial or lateral movement of the fibula or the tibia. When we do those to excess, that's what's stressing the IT band. So again, if you watch this tissue, if in the course of my running, bending forward and back, which we have to do with running, I'm also doing too much twisting, you can see what happens to that IT band structure. That is the source of lateral knee and IT band pain. And so when there's excessive torsion, we have to think about the bones involved, the femur bone and everything that happens above it, the tibia bone and everything below it. That means addressing how the hip moves up high, and not only hip, but also the pelvis and even the structures above that. And then on the other end, the shin bone or the tibia, what's happening down below, namely at the foot and the ankle. So the sustainable treatment approach for IT band is looking at the efficiency of the entire leg, from pelvis, hip, through the femur, past that into the tibia, foot and ankle. And only lastly do we really then treat locally at the knee to make sure that these tissues are moving. But the solution for chronic lateral knee and IT band pain really is whole leg, making sure we are not over twisting and not over shearing. So for more information on that treatment process, check out my article on iRunFar.